not by showing our back and running away. No, 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 no. It's not good. It cannot make you a successful person. It cannot make you a valuable person. I choose my own bricks. I'm ambitious. I'm courageous. I'm focused. I'm blessed. I'm determined. ये बात अलग है कि तुम न बदलो मगर ज़माना बदल रहा है. गुलाब पत्थर पे खिल रहे हैं, चिराग आंधी में जल रहा है. यही ख्वाब, यही एक जुनून है मेरा. वहाँ चिराग जला तूं जहाँ है अंधेरा. I'm Naeem Ahmed. I'm a student of 10th standard of Jamia Gani Tul Uloom Akhyarpur. Today, I have words that all my love and thanks to Salman Khan sir and Jamia Gani Tul Uloom for providing us a workshop on personality development and communication. Words are like keys. Words are like keys. If you choose them right, you can open any hurt, and you can also shut any hurt. Muhammad Ali said, to be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you are not, pretend to are. Dear friends, we have troubles, but if you worry, you make it double. Yes, you have heard right. If you worry, you double up your problems, and life is all about problems and challenges. If you solve one, another one pops up. There is no end to the problem till you take your last breath. Dear friends, there are problems. But if you run away from your problems, you will remain a loser. And we are not losers, my dear friends. And we should not be. We are winners. We are fighters. We are champions. We are fighters. We are unstoppable. We are born to achieve big things. We are born to face the challenges. We are born to fight hard. We are born to conquer the world. We are born to win the hearts of the people. We can and we will, but by facing the problems, not by showing our back and running away. No, 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 no. It's not good. It cannot make you a successful person. It cannot make you a valuable person. बकौले शायर, परिंदा जब उड़ने की ठान लेता है, परिंदा जब उड़ने की ठान लेता है, तो हवा को रास्ता देना ही पड़ता है. I'm the architect of my life. I build my own foundation. I choose my own bricks. I'm ambitious. I'm courageous. I'm focused. I'm blessed. I'm determined. I'm disciplined. Remember, it's for you, friends. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl, but never ever stop. I would like to conclude my topic with these Urdu couplets. न हम सफ़र न किसी हम नशी से निकलेगा, न हम सफ़र न किसी हम नशी से निकलेगा, हमारे पाँव का कांटा खुद हम ही से निकलेगा. गलती उसी से होती है जो मेहनत करता है. अरे निकम्मों की ज़िंदगी तो दूसरों की गलती निकाल लेती है.